Ever wonder how a humble potato, often overlooked, becomes a crispy golden chip? It's a tale of transformation, a journey from the earth to your eager hands. It all starts on specialized farms, vast expanses dedicated to cultivating the perfect potatoes. These aren't just any potatoes, they're carefully selected and grown just for chipping, chosen for their perfect sugar and starch balance. This balance is crucial for achieving that ideal crispness and flavor we all crave. After harvest, massive trucks haul tons of these spuds, mountains of potatoes, to the factory. There, potatoes are gently unloaded onto conveyor belts, a cascade of earthy goodness. Their red carpet moment. It's the beginning of their star turn. Workers quickly scan for rocks, vines, or any imperfections, or any potato that doesn't make the cut. Only the cream of the crop will proceed. Only the best move forward. These are the potatoes destined for greatness. Next, the potatoes are stored in climate-controlled bins, huge warehouses designed for preservation, to keep them fresh and prevent excess sugar buildup. This careful storage ensures every chip starts with the same consistent quality. Consistency is key. It's the bedrock of a great snack. Every bag should taste just as good, just as satisfying as the last. It's not magic. There's no waving of wands here. It's science, engineering, and a lot of attention to detail. Precision is paramount. From farm to factory, every single step is about maintaining that high level of quality. The journey from dirt to deliciousness is just beginning, and it's a fascinating one. So grab your appetite. Get ready for a behind-the-scenes look. We're about to see how potatoes become the world's favorite snack. It's a story of innovation and dedication. The transformation is about to get real. Prepare to be amazed. Let's follow the potato's path, tracing its journey from field to fryer step by step. The adventure starts now. Let's dive in. Once selected, potatoes get a serious spa day. They tumble through industrial washers, blasted clean from every angle. Next, they're peeled in giant drums lined with abrasive rollers. Think industrial sandpaper. Water washes away the skins, leaving smooth, pristine potatoes. But nothing goes to waste. Peels and starchy water are collected for animal feed or other uses. After peeling, inspectors scan for blemishes or green spots, trimming away imperfections. Only flawless potatoes move on. Every step is about efficiency and sustainability. Clean, peeled, and perfect, the potatoes are ready for their big transformation. The next stop, slicing. Let's see how they become chips. Now the magic truly begins, the slicing. This is where precision meets speed, transforming humble potatoes into perfectly uniform canvases. Mountains of potatoes are swiftly shot into these high-speed slicers, a whirlwind of motion as they meet razor-sharp blades, spinning at incredible velocity. It's a mesmerizing dance of engineering and efficiency. Each slice is meticulously calibrated to be precisely 1.5 millimeters thick, a testament to the unwavering standards of quality. This thickness is the sweet spot, thin enough to achieve that satisfying crispiness we all crave, yet robust enough to hold its shape and integrity throughout the cooking process. Freshly sliced, the potatoes take a refreshing plunge into a cold water bath. This bath serves a crucial purpose, to wash off any excess starch clinging to the slices. Removing this starch is vital, as it prevents the slices from clumping together in the fryer, ensuring each chip cooks evenly. From the water, they're then treated to a blast of air dried by powerful jets that whisk away any lingering surface moisture. This seemingly simple step is actually quite crucial, because less water means less splatter when they hit the hot oil, and ultimately, a crispier, more satisfying chip. Every single detail, from the blade angle to the air pressure, is meticulously engineered to deliver that perfect, irresistible crunch. The slices, now perfectly prepped and primed, are ready for their final fiery transformation. Next up, the heart of the operation, the fryer. The incredible journey from humble, raw potato to an utterly irresistible snack is about to reach its peak, as things are about to heat up considerably. Let's take a closer look and see what happens when these carefully prepared potato slices meet the intense heat of the hot oil. The moment of truth is fast approaching. The real satisfying crunch is just around the corner. Freshly cut potato slices embark on their journey, plunging into a massive river of hot oil. It's like a hot oil jacuzzi for potatoes. This isn't your average kitchen fryer. This industrial marvel stretches over 50 feet long, a truly impressive sight in the world of snack production. Precision is key. In just 3 minutes, a carefully timed transformation begins to unfold. As the potatoes cook, steam escapes, carrying with it the aroma of deliciousness. Inside the fryer, starches cook, undergoing a magical metamorphosis. Slowly but surely, the chips turn golden and crisp, achieving that perfect texture we all crave. To maintain the highest quality, the oil is carefully filtered, ensuring a clean and consistent cooking process. The temperature is meticulously monitored and kept at the perfect level, a crucial element for achieving that signature crunch. It's all about that satisfying snap, that unmistakable sound of a perfect bite, the signature crunch. As the chips emerge from their hot oil bath, they're ready for the next stage. Fresh out of the fryer, they're showered with salt or custom seasonings, a flavor fiesta in the making. The chips are still hot, radiating warmth and inviting aromas. The residual heat and oil help the flavors stick, ensuring every chip is packed with deliciousness. Now the chips embark on a leisurely ride on long conveyors, allowing them to cool down. This cooling process is crucial, setting their crunch and solidifying that perfect texture. As they cool, the flavors are locked in, creating a symphony of taste in every bite. Human eyes are essential. Inspectors meticulously remove any chips that don't meet the stringent quality standards, ensuring only the best reach your bag. Only the best, the crispiest, and the most flavorful make it to the next stage of the journey. From a humble raw slice to a golden crispy chip, it's a remarkable transformation. It's a transformation of taste and texture, a culinary alchemy that turns simple potatoes into a beloved snack. The final step in this incredible journey? Packaging, of course. Let's take a closer look at how these chips stay fresh, delicious, and unbroken, ready to be enjoyed. Packaging is all about freshness and protection. Chips are weighed by high-tech machines for perfect portions. Bags are formed, filled, and sealed in seconds. Before sealing, a puff of nitrogen fills each bag, keeping chips crisp and safe from crushing. Nitrogen also keeps out oxygen, preserving flavor and extending shelf life. Bags pass through metal detectors and check weighers for quality control. Finally, they're boxed, palletized, and shipped worldwide. From farm to bag, every step is about quality and care. The next time you open a bag of chips, remember the journey. It's science, precision, and a little bit of snack magic.